caramel or leche flan. So this is all the ingredients. So we need the sugar. So 15 grams of sugar, and then condensed milk. I use 350 ml of sugar, condensed milk. We need also fresh milk, vanilla essence, and then also water. Then I'm gonna use 5 egg. So this is the sugar that I use. So I put it here already. So for the sugar, I need to put little water. So for the water, you need only to make it wet all the sugar. So this is the texture that we need. Okay guys, so as you can see, the sugar is already melted. So if the sugar is melted, you need to lift it like this and do like this until it caramelizes. Caramel now is ready, so little bit more so we can okay, caramel is ready. So this is the texture that we wanted. So see, it's like golden brown. So you need to do this one. This is the one also that I will use. This is stainless. Okay, I pour already the condensed milk. Now I'm gonna add a little bit fresh milk. So you need to mix it like this. Now I'm gonna add the egg one by one. Then, so no need to beat this one much. Okay, so I'll add more. Also a little bit of water. Then mix it well. So make it sure that it will mix it all together, all the ingredients. So after you mix it, you need to strain this one at least 2 to 3 times, so it will be fine, like no bubbles after you cook. I will show you later. So after that, you need to cover with the foil. So guys, so we will cover this one like this. So make it sure that you will cover properly. So if the time is boiling, so the water it will not come inside. That's why we need to cover like this with the foil. So now we're gonna place it in the steamer. If you don't have a steamer, you can use also like this pot. It's up to you guys. So now we need to wait 30 to 40 minutes to cook. Okay guys, I'm done to cook my leche flan. So now I'm gonna put it outside for room temperature at least 1 to 2 hours. And then after, you can keep it this one in the chiller. So after maybe 2 hours, you can eat it. So enjoy! Hi guys, so now this is my cream caramel or leche flan. It's already cold, so let's taste it. So I will cut it. So you will see how it's nice inside. good. It's not too sweet. It's perfect. It's nice. Sarap, sweetheart. So guys, hope you enjoy. So try this one at home. Promise, it's really nice. See you again